Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT on CoinDCX in 2025. USDT, or Tether, is one of the most stable cryptocurrencies out there, and CoinDCX is a popular exchange in India for buying, selling, and transferring assets. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring USDT like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a CoinDCX account set up. If you don't, head over to their website or app and create one. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Wallets or Assets section. That's where all your cryptocurrencies are listed. Now, find USDT in your asset list and click on it. You'll see options like Deposit, Withdraw, or Transfer. For this tutorial, we're focusing on transferring USDT, which could mean sending it to another wallet on CoinDCX or externally. Select the transfer option, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Double-check this address. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Next, input the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any network fees. In 2025, CoinDCX might use networks like Tron or Ethereum, so choose the one with the lowest cost. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Always verify that before proceeding. Once the transfer is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network congestion. And just like that, you're done. Remember, security is key in crypto, so enable two-factor authentication on your account to protect your assets. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Stay safe and keep trading smart. See you in the next video.